Hello, what's going on, guys? And welcome back to the channel. So previously we modeled the building, but we were skipping these grid lines, the one with these ducts, because the architects wanted these ducts to be free. But then so this would have made us our span to have a 8.4 meters, which is very huge. That's why you saw me when I was when I was defining a beam. I used 600 depth, but now architect called me. We discussed about this, and the good thing we didn't get to a meeting, but only through a phone, and so he decided that it's okay, we can put columns there and beams, because I showed him that we have enough space for the we have enough space for the duct, even if even if a beam passes through here, we will have enough space. So let me show you 1 second what I mean. Okay, so these missing things is because he's using low version of AutoCAD. Okay, so as you can see right here, for example, if my beam is 200, so if it will be like this, right? So these dimensions from here to here is a 3.8, and from here to here is a 4.33. So it's and on the other side it's the same. So if you, as you can see, this is a good space for pipes and plumbing things to go down. So that means we can put our beam right here, and everything will be fine. So that being said, our model will change a little bit. I don't know why I closed this, because I need it for something. Okay, so right now we have to go to our Etabs also. So AutoCAD. 1 second. It takes time because I'm opening two software at the same time. Okay. Close this. Okay. I'll need this to check this distance from here to here. Okay. So now this is our model. I will first of all, I'll change this. Sorry, I wanted to do this, and then I will go to first floor, and then okay. First of all, I think I should change these grids to match his, because I find it a little bit difficult if they have different values. So 1 and then 2A. And this will be 7, and this will be 8. So right now our grid will match his. So our grid system will match his, and I just want it to match on this side, so that I know where I'm applying something like that. Okay, so what I need to do now is I'll have to put columns in here and here and here and here and here, and also all on this grid. But first of all, I will select this beam. Let me keep similar stories, and then I will select So because I selected similar stories, I have it yes, and then I'll go to edit, and then I will go to edit frame, and then I'll divide frame and then into 2. So okay, yep. Okay, so go again to first story. Now as you can see, we have splitted the columns I mean the beams. Okay, so right now I can put my columns, but another thing is that on grid 6, so we won't be there's no column here, right? If there's no column here, then fine, we can put all them, they can all be vertical, and there's no problem, because I thought I was going to put a beam here. Okay, because we have a grid 4, let me check a grid 4. Yes, we have columns in grid 4, and this is a grid 4. So I think yeah, we'll just move them down a little bit. On the new the columns on grid 4 should be on the other side. The rest should be okay. Okay, so that means on grid 4, which is this, we need to put them on the other side, but the rest should be okay. So what I'm going to do is we'll draw a column, let's say column okay, so I will have a column here. Okay, so things are looking good now. What else do I need? Okay, so I need to draw shear wall. Okay, so I said I will explain why I won't be making stairs. This is because if you model a stair here, what it does, it will put loads to your beams and to your columns, and that's the right thing to do. But the final result, I mean the reinforcements and the section wise, it won't have a big difference. So I don't want to go to that work of modeling a stair right now, and then it won't have any big effect to my final result. So if I have time, it's the right thing to do. But to start to model the stair, and then because I put a slab here, so if there's a slab here, I will be over designing a little bit, which won't have any impact, to be honest. So that's why I won't do it. And you can do it when you have enough time, but if you don't have enough time, I don't advise to do. Okay, so right now I need to draw beams. Okay, so I'll use this beam, and wait, I'll use this pen, and then I'll change them. Okay, so there are a lot of concerns you need to focus on. Okay, so I was on similar stories, so that means all my edits have been applied to everything except for the yes, I think everything is fine. I think everything is fine, because if I go to, let's say, that story, and then I select this, yes, everything is fine. So right now what we need to do is to check about our, so on grid 4 there's a lift, so we need to draw walls here. But what I need to know first is the distance between this one and this one, because we have a grid here, so it's okay. This distance is what we need. So that's why I wanted this ArchiCAD drawing to measure the distance, because this is why when architect give me the drawing, I request to also have this one, ArchiCAD one, because of this. Okay, so it's 2800. The distance is 2800. Okay, so that means from here, and it goes all the way to 3, if I'm not mistaken. Is it 3 or 4? Okay, it's on 4A. Okay, so our lift will be from here, and we'll go 2.8 this way, and then to here. Okay. You know what, let us do something about it first. Okay, so draw a reference point, and this reference point will I want it to offset it minus 2800, and it was from here, so I'll select this one. Why I don't see it? Where's my reference point? Okay, it's here. So it's so small. Okay, and another one, draw a reference point again, minus 2800. The reference point are too small, I don't like them, to be honest. Okay, here. Okay, where is it? Okay, it's here. So right now what we need to do is define. Okay, so we need to define a wall. So I'll go to wall, and I'll just take this one, just modify it. Everything is ready. I don't want to okay, so I want this to be 200 only, and everything is okay. So okay, and I will remove, never mind, just give it. Okay, so now right now we can draw our wall, but first of all I would like to create an opening and sell the stories. Yes, we are. I want to be in plan in grid. I don't know if my reference point will be there. Yes, my reference points are here. Okay, so first of all I want to create an opening, so I'll just create an opening first, and it starts from there to reference point, and reference point, and oh no, okay, I didn't want that, sorry. I moved a little bit there. Reference point 90. Yes, this is what I want. Okay. Now if we go to 3D, yes, we have our opening there, and that's what we want. Okay, let's go again to story 1. Now we want to apply to draw a wall. our wall PM. I want this to be wall 1. Okay, so start from there to reference point, reference point, reference point, okay, I don't want this one, yes, because it's like this, so only this part of the wall. Okay, so right now I can delete this beam and this column. I can delete this beam first and then delete. No, I didn't want to do that. I want to delete only the beam. Yes. Okay, and then draw the beam from grid point to here. And then because the wall will go to the top, that's why. And also I don't need this column, but I'll just go to 3D and delete the column. Yes, and to delete that column. Okay, so this column will be, the top column will be resting on this wall. I will assign my go to base and select everything, and then okay, one story, and then assign joint, and I will want them to be fixed. Okay, okay, I think I've decided I will just extend the wall. Okay, so right now I think everything is okay. The only thing required is to apply the loads. Today I think I'll just stop right here. So I think tomorrow I will today I'm a little bit tired. Tomorrow I will apply the loads and then I will do the analysis, and I want to wind load because first of all, this building is very big in area wise, and then short, so I don't think there'll be an impact on wind load. I can do it, but I won't do it. I also won't do seismic because there's no seismic in where this building will be constructed. There's no that danger. So I want because otherwise it will only increase the section and the reinforcement, which I don't want to do that. So the clients are already complaining that they want this to be cheap, so I don't want to increase its costs. Okay, so thank you very much. Until next time, bye bye.